Hello, Chef here. So I'm actually doing a little traveling and helping someone in one of their kitchens here whip up a little meal, so I thought I'd share this with you. This is one of these annoying granite countertops, so everything slides around on there. So I recommend you use a wet kitchen towel like this, or cloth, underneath your cutting board. Nice, stable surface. That's what you're looking for. Sharpening steel, titanium knife. Oh yeah. All right, so lesson today, we've got this awesome organic spaghetti squash. Look at that baby. This one's still got the stem on it. You'd want to just give a little bust, get that stem off of there, as much as you can anyway. Sometimes a knife's helpful for that. Get that off of there. Okay, so to start with, we're going to just cut this into half and then quarters. Just down the middle like this. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Here we go. I've got this squash now. I'm just going to cut it like this. I've got two, and right here, remove the rest of this stem off right here. You can see why you don't want your cutting board to wiggle around. You don't want to lose any digits. Okay, there we go. I got 4 even pieces. That's what you're looking for. It's going to cook evenly like that, okay? Over here, I've got a pot of boiling water. You may or may not be able to see this on camera, but anyway, I'm just going to put these in here. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. I'm going to put the lid on there. Like I said, I'm traveling, helping someone else here, so limited supplies. Okay, you can see I'm just letting it steam in there. Okay, at this point we let the squash cool off. Just going to let it cool off in the air. Okay, so the squash is now cooling in the larger vessel here. And you know the squash is done just by using a fork and taking that fork and giving the squash a little prick like this. And you can see all of that awesome flesh, spaghetti squash flesh, pulls away. That's what we're looking for right here. This is the stuff. So I hope you're following along here. Pay attention, take some notes. I'm going to show you the rest of this recipe in just a few minutes. Don't forget, right there, subscribe to the channel and you're going to continue to learn from the chefs. We use a fork and we shred some of this spaghetti squash out of the husk like this. Oh yeah. Move this aside. I like to use a piece of the squash for my serving vessel. So right here, I'm going to cut just a nice piece off like this. And I'm going to put a little point there as well. So this piece right here could be used for garnish. Very cool. Yeah. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, that's an awesome bulb of roasted garlic. Oh, that's going to be good. So one of the tricks with roasted garlic is you can roast it ahead of time, you can cool it off, and then you've got this. Beautiful. You can use a small knife, like a little paring knife here, and you can carefully remove some of the roasted garlic without destroying the whole thing. That's what I'm looking for right here today. So here we go. I've got just a small piece like this of roasted garlic that's going to end up in my dish. Oh yeah. There we go. Save this for later. I'm just using this one little piece right here. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff right there. Yeah, and that's going to be good. Let me tell you. All right, so now I'm going to take this plate right here. I've got my spaghetti squash right here. And season it with a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt. Nothing special. Use this spoon, kind of toss it together a little bit here. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm going to garnish. Got this garnish piece right here. Put a little bit of this squash right on this garnish, like so. I'm going to drizzle with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil across the top. And the final step on my garnish, the final step of this dish is going to be some fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Yeah, how's that look to you? Please like, share, subscribe. Yeah, support your sponsor. Oh yeah, that garlic. Whew. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Please comment, tell us what you think about this. Yeah, spaghetti squash. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's going to be good.
Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax.